Hi y'all, this is Lily and I'm going to be making some vegan and gluten-free black bean brownies. First off, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're going to grab a can of black beans and we are going to open it, drain it, and rinse it and put it to the side. Next up, we're going to grab our rolled oats, and I measured out a half cup and I put that in my food processor. You're going to grind this up, and this will make the oat flour for the recipe. We're going to add the rest of our dry ingredients. Right now I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Two tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm going to blend up all those ingredients and put them to the side for now. Now I'm going to add my black beans back into my food processor and blend those back up. Next, you're going to add a 1/4 cup of vegan butter. You can also use coconut oil or vegetable oil. And then also I'm going to add in a 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And I'm going to put those wet ingredients into the food processor and blend that all up. Don't forget your splash of vanilla, and then add those dry ingredients back into the food processor and mix that all up. Measure out a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Make sure you grease your pan. Here I am now mixing my chocolate chips in my batter, and it will now be ready to go into the greased pan. Your brownies are now ready to go in the oven. I baked mine for 18 minutes, but originally I set the timer for 15. Here's a little poke test to make sure they're all done, and perfect, they're all ready. I highly encourage you to try out this recipe to see how black beans can really be disguised into brownies. I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you for tuning in.